In today's digital landscape, YouTube celebrities are ubiquitous. But what propels individuals to pursue YouTube stardom? It's a multifaceted journey fueled by various factors: the allure of fame, the promise of financial rewards, the freedom of creative expression, the sense of community and connection, the desire for impact and legacy, and the opportunity to escape traditional employment norms. YouTube offers a democratic platform where anyone can share their talents and stories, transcending the barriers of traditional media. The potential for viral fame is enticing, as a single video can catapult someone from obscurity to celebrity status without the need for industry gatekeepers. Additionally, the financial incentives are significant, with successful creators earning substantial incomes through ad revenue, sponsorships, merchandise sales, and fan contributions. Creative autonomy is another driving force on YouTube. Unlike traditional media, creators have complete control over their content, enabling them to explore their passions fully and connect directly with audiences. The platform fosters a sense of community and connection, with creators building loyal followings and engaging with viewers in real time through comments, live streams, and social media. Many aspiring YouTube celebrities are motivated by the desire to make a meaningful impact. They see the platform as a tool for spreading knowledge, inspiring others, and driving social change. Whether through educational content, activism, or personal narratives, creators strive to leave a lasting legacy and contribute positively to society. Finally, YouTube offers an alternative career path, appealing to those seeking flexibility, autonomy, and growth outside traditional employment norms. For many, achieving YouTube celebrity status represents not only personal fulfillment, but also liberation from conventional job constraints. Ready to start your journey to YouTube stardom? Explore the step-by-step blueprint to becoming a YouTube celebrity. Access the link provided in the video description for guidance on realizing your YouTube aspirations. Your journey to stardom begins here.